This project covers the core problems students around Ghanaian campuses face in their academic and social lives. As a student, based on some few things, we might not be able to deal with certain tasks that we are expected to do in a given time. And this makes us want to outsource such tasks for others to do. Example being some petty errands like printing, buying food, to mention a few. So this application Runners, which we are calling Runners, addresses that problem. So Runners is a mobile application that we built to help students connect with each other and then make it possible for them to, post errands and accept them at the same time for a small fee. So this will be a live demo on how Runners, the application works. So as you can see, I am already logged in. You can see my name over here. And I'm going to show how a user on Runners will be able to use the application. So over here on the plus icon, we tap on it for a user to add an errand. So I'll select a category for food and give it a title. Let's say Wache. So I give a description of, let's say, Wache 15 cities, and then I put in a pickup address. We select Unity Hall, and then we put in the delivery address for, so we have Katanga over here. Yeah. So then the user is also allowed to, select the urgency level of such an errand. So as you can see, we have the total payment over here for a person to, post an errand. So over here, the user is allowed to select their provider, service provider, and then their number. And as you can see, we are speaking with Demo Sandbox at the moment for this demo. So yeah, payment is completed. So once payment is complete, you see the errand is then posted on the forum. So as you can see, it's now listed among errands on the forum here. And then you can see the requester, my name over there as Kwame Abaje, and then me being a requester, asking for Wache. And then you can see the pickup as Unity Hall, and then Katanga as a delivery address. So over here, users can see available errands on the forum, and then tapping on it, they can see the pickup location and then the delivery location. So as a runner, I will then go and then accept such an errand. So I just tap on accept, and then it says errand accepted, waiting for requester approval. So as you can see, the requester then gets a notification over here showing that someone has accepted their request. I can visit the requester can then visit their postings, and then they can see that someone has accepted their request. So they can tap on review pending runner, and then they can view the pending runner's details. So you can see Joseph Osabuaje as the pending runner, and then the user can either skip the runner or approve. So over here we are going to approve the runner. So over here the requester, the runner, can see their active runs. So over here you see I have Wache as my active run, and then I can then tap on start the errand, and then you see I can update my stats, and then the requester will be getting notifications that I have now accepted, and then I have started the errand. So now I can also update my status by saying I have arrived at the vendor, and then the user will be notified that the runner executing his or her errand has arrived at the vendor. And then the runner can also update their status that they are heading to the delivery point now. And then the user will also be triggered, the notification will be triggered to the user to notify them. And then once everything is done, the runner can mark it as delivered. Then as you can see, once marked as delivered, we then wait for the requester to confirm that yes, the product has been delivered before everything is put to an end. So as you can see, as the requester, I will then see that the runner has brought my package or whatever it is that the errand is about, and then I can confirm delivery here. So once I confirm delivery, the platform gives the user the opportunity to rate the runner and so on. So once everything is done, you can see active runs is now one, and then we have history, and then you see this errand, the errand that was accepted before is now marked as done. The runner can view can see their balance and see that the money the user used to post the errand on the platform has now been released into their account. So then the runner can use the disbursement API to withdraw the amounts from their account. So they select the payment method with their number there, then they can confirm withdrawal. So they type in the amounts they want to withdraw, and then they can confirm withdrawal.